Hey guys, it's time for a Garage C quickie. Today, fitting ceramic H4 connectors to rusty rotten headlamps. Step 1. Press the headlamp service button. To get to the bulb, 4 screws for this cover, 4 screws for this. Screws out, cover just unclips. These 4 we don't need to remove, we just need to loosen. And that gets you to the problem. This connector here on the H4 bulb. What happens is corrosion builds up on this connector, and that corrosion causes high resistance. Now remember that energy can only be converted, cannot be destroyed. So the energy, the electricity coming down these wires, is expecting to be converted into light by the bulb. But the resistance caused by the corrosion, the bad connection, turns that energy into heat. By resisting it, you cause heat. That's the reaction. So that heat then melts this plastic connector, and you find your headlamps not working so well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some nice fresh clean crimps on the ends, and I'm going to put a ceramic H4 connector on. Looks like someone's been here before me. Well, there's your problem. People, stop using pre-insulated crimps. They're garbage. Okay, so there we go. Wires all crimped on. Connector block, get them all in the right direction. They click into place. They don't, hold on, there we go, put it the right way around. Click. Click and click. Job done.